Hi, and welcome to Blank Pages. This double page kit is one by Patricia Monk, and I've put the details for Pat's Creative Solutions in the description below. The photos I'm working with are from a family picnic, and just like the day, this kit was so relaxing to work through. So let's jump in to page 1. And page 1 looks really good. The little details like the negative and tag make the page so interesting, and I love the printed journaling, but that's mainly because my handwriting's not great. Let's continue to page 2. Page 2 is done, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Working the small photos on a separate piece of paper first makes them easier to position and reposition if you need to. My double page is done and ready to go into my album. This paper is beautiful and it complements these photos so well, making my memories the feature. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. And if you want to make sure you don't miss out on my next video, click that little notification bell. Thanks so much for watching.